Edexcel A-Level Maths, Pure Paper 2, June 2022, Question 2. For part A, we need to sketch the curve with equation y equals 4 to the power of x, stating any points of intersection with the coordinate axes. So, when x is equal to 0, we know that y is equal to 4 to the power of 0, which is equal to 1. So it's going to cross the y-axis at 1. And anything of the form number to the power of anything can't equal 0 itself, so it's not going to cross the x-axis at any point. So now remember, we're drawing an exponential graph here. So as x gets bigger, our y is going to get larger and larger at a much quicker rate. So it's going to look something like this. Going through 1 on the y-axis, as we've just calculated, getting steeper and steeper as it goes to the right. Then on the left-hand side, for our negative x, it's approaching 0, but it's never quite going to reach there. So on our graph, we've represented this as a line that's pretty much straight by the time we get to the end, because we can't see that slight gradient. But we've got to make sure it doesn't actually touch the x-axis, because this will never get to 0. And we need to make sure it's not coming back up again on the left. So our exponential graph is going to look like this, crossing through 1. For part B, we need to solve the equation 4 to the power of x equals 100, giving our answer to 2 decimal places. So if we look at the form that we've been given, the x, the unknown, is the power. So we're going to use some logarithms to sort this out. So whenever we've got something of this format, by the definition of our logs, we can rearrange it so that x, the power, is equal to log base 4. The 4 is there because that's the base of the power in our original equation. And we're going to put 100, the right-hand side of the original equation, into this. So x is equal to log base 4, 100, which if we put into our calculator using the log function, we get an answer of 3.32.
If you've enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe to the Doing Maths channel to keep up to date with all the latest releases.